The year is 2024, a year that has seen unprecedented changes in the digital world. The digital landscape has evolved into a complex and intricate jungle, teeming with opportunities and challenges alike. The digital landscape is a jungle. It's a place where only the fittest survive, and where innovation and adaptability are key to thriving. In this jungle, brands are constantly vying for the attention of consumers, who are more discerning and demanding than ever before. It's crowded, it's noisy, it's constantly changing. The digital marketplace is a bustling environment, filled with a myriad of voices and messages all competing for a moment of your time. Every day, consumers are bombarded with thousands of messages from brands, each one trying to outdo the other in a bid to capture attention. Brands are fighting for attention. How do you stand out? In this chaotic environment, standing out is no easy feat. It requires a deep understanding of your audience, a clear and compelling message, and a strategy that leverages the power of digital tools and platforms. How do you win over consumers who are bombarded with thousands of messages every day? The answer lies in cutting through the noise and delivering a message that resonates on a personal level. This is where influencer marketing comes into play. The answer is simple: influencer marketing. Influencer marketing has emerged as one of the most effective strategies for reaching and engaging with consumers in the digital age. By partnering with influencers who have built trust and credibility with their followers, brands can tap into a powerful network of advocates who can help amplify their message. Influencer marketing is no longer a nice-to-have. It's a necessity. In today's digital landscape, where consumers are increasingly skeptical of traditional advertising, influencer marketing offers a way to connect with audiences in a more authentic and meaningful way. Consumers today, especially Gen Z and millennials, crave authenticity. They are looking for brands that align with their values and that communicate in a genuine and transparent manner. Influencers, with their ability to create relatable and engaging content, are perfectly positioned to meet this demand. They trust people over brands. This shift in trust has significant implications for how brands approach their marketing strategies. Instead of relying solely on traditional advertising methods, brands need to build relationships with influencers who can act as trusted intermediaries between the brand and the consumer. They're more likely to buy a product when it's recommended by someone they follow and admire online. This is because influencers have the ability to create a sense of familiarity and trust with their followers, making their recommendations more impactful and persuasive. This is where influencers come in. By promoting products and services to their followers, influencers can help drive awareness, consideration, and ultimately, purchase decisions. Their endorsements carry weight because they are seen as genuine and trustworthy. Influencers are the new tastemakers. They have the power to shape trends and influence consumer behavior in ways that traditional advertising cannot. By aligning with the right influencers, brands can position themselves at the forefront of these trends and gain a competitive edge. They're the cool kids in the digital schoolyard. Influencers have a unique ability to connect with their followers on a personal level, creating a sense of community and belonging. This connection is what makes their recommendations so powerful. They have built loyal followings by being relatable, trustworthy, and engaging. Influencers are not just content creators, they are community builders. They engage with their followers through comments, direct messages, and live interactions, fostering a sense of loyalty and trust. When they recommend your product, it's like getting a stamp of approval from a friend. This personal endorsement can be incredibly persuasive, as it comes from someone the consumer trusts and admires. This translates into brand awareness, increased credibility, and ultimately, more sales. By leveraging the power of influencer marketing, brands can not only reach a wider audience but also build deeper connections with their consumers, leading to long-term loyalty and growth. Successful influencer marketing campaigns are built on strong relationships between brands and influencers. These relationships are based on mutual respect, trust, and a shared vision for the campaign. By working closely with influencers, brands can ensure that their message is delivered in a way that is authentic and resonates with the audience. Collaborations between brands and influencers can take many forms, from sponsored posts and product reviews to long-term partnerships and ambassador programs. Each type of collaboration offers unique opportunities for brands to connect with their target audience and achieve their marketing goals. Influencers are skilled content creators who know how to craft messages that resonate with their followers. They understand the nuances of their audience and can create content that is both engaging and persuasive. By leveraging the creativity and expertise of influencers, brands can create compelling campaigns that drive results. Measuring the success of influencer marketing campaigns is crucial for understanding their impact and optimizing future efforts. Key metrics to track include engagement rates, reach, impressions, and conversions. By analyzing these metrics, brands can gain insights into what works and what doesn't, allowing them to refine their strategies and achieve better results. As the digital landscape continues to evolve, so too do the trends in influencer marketing. Staying ahead of these trends is essential for brands looking to maintain a competitive edge. Some of the key trends to watch include the rise of micro-influencers, the growing importance of video content, and the increasing use of data and analytics to inform influencer marketing strategies. Micro-influencers, with their smaller but highly engaged followings, are becoming increasingly valuable to brands. These influencers often have a more niche audience, which allows for more targeted and effective marketing. By partnering with micro-influencers, brands can reach specific segments of their target audience and achieve higher levels of engagement. Video content continues to dominate the digital landscape, and influencers are at the forefront of this trend. From YouTube videos and Instagram stories to TikTok clips and live streams, video content offers a dynamic and engaging way to connect with audiences. Brands that leverage video content in their influencer marketing campaigns can create more immersive and impactful experiences for their consumers. The use of data and analytics in influencer marketing is becoming increasingly important. By leveraging data, brands can identify the right influencers to partner with, track the performance of their campaigns, and make data-driven decisions to optimize their strategies. This data-driven approach allows for more precise targeting and better results. The future of influencer marketing is bright, with endless possibilities for innovation and growth. As technology continues to advance and consumer behavior evolves, brands will need to stay agile and adapt their strategies to stay ahead of the curve. By embracing the power of influencer marketing and staying attuned to the latest trends, brands can build strong, lasting connections with their consumers and achieve long-term success in the digital playground of 2024 and beyond. In the digital age, authenticity is king and queen. Consumers can sniff out a fake from a mile away. They want real people, real stories, real experiences. This is why influencer authenticity is paramount to your success. Gone are the days of perfectly curated Instagram feeds and overly polished brand messages. Consumers want to see the real you, the good, the bad, and the ugly. They want to connect with brands on a human level. Partner with influencers who align with your brand values. Choose influencers who genuinely love your product. Let them tell their story, their way. Don't try to script them or control their every move. Give them creative freedom. Move over, macro-influencers. There's a new kid on the block. Micro-influencers are taking the marketing world by storm. And for good reason. They have smaller, more niche audiences. But don't let that fool you. Their engagement rates are through the roof. Micro-influencers have cultivated a strong sense of community with their followers. They have built trust and credibility within their niche. This makes their recommendations highly valuable. Consumers see them as experts in their field. Think of it this way. Would you rather have 100,000 followers who kind of care about what you have to say? Or 10,000 followers who are obsessed with your every word? Micro-influencers offer laser-focused targeting. They allow you to reach the right people at the right time with the right message. Let's get real. I'm all about action. So let's dive into some real-world examples of brands killing it with influencer marketing. Take Glossier, for instance. They built their entire brand on influencer marketing. Glossier partnered with micro-influencers and real women to showcase their products. They focused on authenticity and user-generated content. The result? A cult-like following and massive success. Then there's Nike. They're masters at partnering with athletes and fitness influencers who embody their brand values: performance, innovation, and inspiration. Nike understands the power of storytelling. They use influencer marketing to create compelling narratives that resonate with their target audience. Section 5. The right fit: choosing influencers who align. Finding the right influencers for your brand is crucial. This isn't a numbers game. It's about finding the perfect fit. Look for influencers who align with your brand values. Do your research. Check out their audience demographics. Are they the right fit for your target market? Look at their engagement rates. Are their followers genuinely interested in their content? Don't be afraid to reach out to smaller influencers. Remember, authenticity is key. Choose influencers who genuinely love your product. Don't just focus on their follower count. Look for influencers who are passionate, engaging, and have a strong voice. They will be your best brand advocates. Influencer marketing isn't always sunshine and rainbows. There are challenges, fake followers, influencer fraud, measuring ROI. But don't worry, I've got your back. Do your due diligence. Vet your influencers carefully. Use tools to check for fake followers and engagement. Set clear goals and objectives from the outset. What do you want to achieve with your influencer marketing campaign? Brand awareness, website traffic, sales? Establish clear communication channels with your influencers. Provide them with creative briefs, but also give them the freedom to be themselves. Track your results. Use analytics to measure the success of your campaigns. You've launched your influencer marketing campaign. Now what? It's time to measure your return on investment, ROI. But measuring ROI in influencer marketing can be tricky. It's not always about the immediate sales. Track your key performance indicators, KPIs, website traffic, brand mentions, engagement rates. Use trackable links and discount codes to measure conversions. Don't underestimate the power of brand awareness and sentiment. Remember, influencer marketing is a long game. It's about building relationships, nurturing trust, creating a community around your brand. Don't expect overnight success. Be patient, be consistent. The results will come. The world of influencer marketing is constantly evolving. What worked yesterday might not work tomorrow. So what's next? What trends are shaping the future of influence? Short-form video content is king, TikTok is exploding, Instagram Reels are gaining traction, YouTube Shorts are here to stay. If you're not creating short, engaging video content, you're missing out. Live shopping is on the rise. Influencers are partnering with brands to host live shopping events. This allows consumers to buy products in real time. It's interactive, it's engaging, it's the future of e-commerce. Influencer marketing is a game changer. It's not a fad, it's here to stay. By harnessing the power of influencers, you can elevate your brand, reach new heights, achieve your marketing goals. Remember to stay true to your brand. Partner with influencers who align with your values. Create authentic content that resonates with your target audience. Measure your results and adapt your strategy accordingly. The future of marketing is human. It's about connection. It's about building relationships. And nobody does it better than influencers. So what are you waiting for? Go out there and make some noise.